Good afternoon and good evening or good morning whenever you're listening to this or looking at this video. It's a great day out here in Arizona. That's Mark McKenna, Realty Executives, and it is nearly perfect outside. Actually, I think it is perfect. It is perfect outside. You know why it's perfect? And where am I at? I'm out in front of your new home. That's why this is even perfect, even more than perfect. Is that even possible? Is that possible? I don't know. Let's check out this place. This is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath. We're here in actually Scottsdale, Arizona. This is a great property. It's a great area. You got the Hayden right down there, which is a major artery that goes up and down North Scottsdale all the way down to South, North Tempe. You also got the 101 further over, and just northwest of us is downtown Scottsdale. It is a prime location. It is a single-family detached home, about 1,364 square feet, and a huge backyard. We're going to check this thing out. I think you're going to like it. We've already had a lot of people come by, and they love this home. So welcome to your new home, folks. I'm doing back walking again. I gotta be careful. I don't want to walk into anything. But here you go. Okay. Amazing setup here. I'm gonna do a far view here. Look at this kitchen area. Pictures like, and even this video probably doesn't do it justice. This is a nice big space here. You got the dining area here, and then of course the front door. You saw that already, and then this living space. This is it. This whole it flows. There's energy here in this, and how this design is laid out. Let's check out one of the bedrooms here. This would be. There's no true master in this particular floor plan. However, this would be the one that I would say that the owner suite would be, and this is it here, folks. Again, a giant space here. Got ceiling fans in all the rooms. Nice closet. Got a little niche area there to order the. You can expand it out to shelves or just do it the way we have it there. This is a king size bed, so you get plenty of space in here. Get a nice little sitting area and extra places for your clothes and stuff like that. And then we'll go back out here and we'll check out the kitchen. Look at this kitchen area. Look at that refrigerator. I know that's the one you could take pictures inside the refrigerator right here out in the grocery store. I can't remember if we have milk or not. Well, you know what? Let me just look at my phone. Holy cow, we don't have milk. We gotta get it. It saves you time and energy. That's right there is worth the price of admission, folks. Then you have this nice little cooking area here. Of course, you got the hood, and it's big enough here to order to entertain for small groups and even even large groups. So it's laid out really nice. And I'm going to walk through this room over here, right off from the kitchen. You have the access out to the backyard, which we'll check that out in a second because that's really going to be pretty neat. You're going to like to see that. And this is the laundry room. It's big enough where you could put 2 full-size, washer and dryer in here. You're going to have the, which will be delivered here. The hot water tank will be on this side as well. So you got plenty of space in there to do your laundry and everything. And then we'll check out the other rooms, then we'll go outside. We're going to hold that to last. Keep you hanging. All right, well here's your full bath. Done very tastefully. You get a full shower and tub there. And then, of course, the toilet and then the sink. Voila. See, you can do a little angle action. Look at that. You see that? That's amazing. That's all muscle there, folks. No, I don't know what it is. Anyways, go down the hallway. TV, entertainment area. Again, it's about spacing and how it all lays out perfectly for you. You don't have to have a lot of room in order to make it look elegant and make it your own. This is highly functional. You get the couch, kind of L shape here, and then you get the TV for entertaining, conversation pieces. That could be either a dry bar or extra storage there, and set up the components for your TV and stereo, those type of things. And then go back into the bedrooms, which are split from the other room over there as well. So these are nice sized rooms. Obviously a closet, and then you got nice picture window here, and then you got this little niche here too that you could put maybe a desk in here, or maybe even an extra some type of armoire or something. Hall closet. Let's just check this out. I don't know what's in here. It's a hall closet. I can't believe it. It's in the hall and it's a closet. And then outside of that, you have another room. Okay, it basically mirrors the one we were just in. It has that little niche here, and then of course you already got a closet and a nice window. This one faces the backyard, so good stuff there. And then you have extra space here for linens or towels and things. So a lot of space in here. It's done very tastefully. It's not like you have a huge closet and no bedroom. Everything's spaced out perfectly, I think, for a lot of buyers and for you. It's perfect for you. You're going to buy this house. I can tell. I know these things, All right, so here you are. Wow, look at this. It's so bright and so big. This is it. You got that's an alley back there, so they have alley access off of Hayden. You can come right down here. That's also where the garbage will be as well. So it's a functional type of piece to the property. We've actually enhanced it and we put the double RV gate there, so you could make things get into the access to the backyard. But that's not the only way that you could actually get into the backyard. We got giant RV gates gates on both sides of the home. So, and you got a little overhang here, so you got a nice little covered little patio section too. And if you wanted to make that down the road, which would be an investment in this purchase, if you wanted to go ahead and expand out that second room that has the half bath, this is where it is, folks. And it could go here pretty nicely. So there would be work to be done to that, but that enhancement there would change the flow and function of the whole property as well. And that would be something that the buyer, you, could take on and be the beneficiary of that value add that you would put in there. But that is a hidden gem there that most people won't recognize. But check it out. Check it out. Here we go. Again, if you were here, I'd be serving you cookies right now. And then, of course, we got the water in there too. Flows very well. We want you to have this home, folks. Call me, Mark McKenna, Realty Executives, 602-882-6005. That's my cell. This is it. We're here. Hopefully this home will be here once you contact me. We have other properties that'll be coming on the market as well. Love to tell you about those once we get to the point where we can release that information. Also, too, if you have clients or other people that you know that you want to that might be interested in coming down to Arizona, have them give me a call. I'll be more than happy to show them around here as well. If this property works for you, which I believe it would, then let's do business. Let's make it happen for you. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.